episode, we have someone who was the charter president for Heritage City Toastmasters Club and also served as the vice president public relations. He is also the club mentor for Adani Toastmasters Club, is also handling the Gables Toastmasters Club on his way to charter the Entrepreneurs Toastmasters Club with Toastmaster Manish in IIM Ahmedabad. He is quick-witted, funny, friendly, and is famous for his fun-loving attitude. Please put your hands together for Kushal Lalwani.
Hello Richa, thank you so much for having me here.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. Hello Kushal and welcome to the show. Having served as the charter president and also the vice president public relations and now the mentor, how did each role shape you as an individual?
So first of all, almost 5 years back, I was VP PR at Ahmedabad Toastmasters Club, and that was an amazing experience because VP PR gives you the edge where if you are a shy person, it takes you out of your shyness. I was typically an introvert person, but I required heavily to talk to people in my business. And that gave me an immense opportunity to meet and interact with people, to get in touch with new people and create my network. And network, as we say, is our net worth. So VPPR was a very special role where I learned a lot. Parallelly, when I became the charter president of Heritage City Toastmasters Club, it was altogether a new and immensely fantastic feeling because when we start a new club, it is more of struggling to survive kind of situation. And now I haven't been in this situation like since last 13 years back when I started my own business. I had that feeling, and recalling that feeling gives you a boost in your skills and your fight or your hunger for success. So that again was a very, very good feeling. Herein we also got to know how to team up with people, how to build a team so that we can together reach to success. It was not an individual goal, it was a goal for a club or a fraternity, or the feeling which we wanted to develop in Ahmedabad. The second community club in Ahmedabad was quite a feeling for many of people. We all got together, and it was very nice that we could make it up till here, which is a fantastic place to be in. Yes, nice feeling.
So I can see that you broke your shell from being an introvert and connected with people, and then here you are now as a club mentor as well. You are a Toastmaster and your daughter is a Gavalier. Do you see a difference in perspectives?
Yeah, it's very, very visible perspective change when we talk about a Gavalier and a Toastmaster, because as a Gavalier, what she, being just 10 years old, understands about this theme of Toastmasters and Gavels is that it is basically a public speaking platform. Whereas at Toastmaster, we understand it is not just public speaking, it is leadership. It is taking things on our hands and shoulders when it is required. It is also about listening skills. It is about building your network. It is building the positivity around you. Especially roles like Sergeant at Arms, which gives you an opportunity to create an environment, taking the neutral audience to an excited audience. So we understand that Toastmasters, there's much more to Toastmasters and Gavels than just public speaking. So perspective definitely is having a lot of difference in the perspective of Gavaliers as well as Toastmasters. But I understand they subconsciously are inheriting all the qualities which Toastmasters provide.
So your fellow members mentioned that you are somebody they can always rely on. You are always there to support them. So how does it feel? Is it tough or is it something that comes naturally to you?
No, not at all tough, because we don't have to put our efforts in meeting people, giving them the familiar environment at Toastmasters, or giving them the support which they need. This is probably what I like to do, meeting up new people. And even if I am able to put 0.01% positive change in anyone's life, the privilege part is on my side. So I feel lucky that I am able to bring the very little positive impact on anyone's life. It is such an amazing feeling. So lucky to be a part of people's life.
So now it's time for our fun segment. So here it starts. The tags are mentor, judge, and pass, and the names are Nancy, Amit, Ronak.
Judge, I can. Oh my god, that's tough. So Nancy is such a fantastic speaker, and I have seen her stage presence. A feeling that I could one day reach to a level where I can mentor her. I would love to mentor her. Uh, Amit, because he's a fantastic speaker again and a fantastic evaluator. So if I reach to a level where I can evaluate the master evaluator, I would like to be a judge for Toastmaster Amit, and the third one, of course, for Ronak, because he is excellent, energetic, excited, and always exuberant personality. So all these three cases, I would like to reach their level, and if something extraordinary, miracles happen, I would like to go a step beyond their capabilities, and definitely would like to do all these things with them.
The next ones are Darshit, Manish, and Khushbu.
So presently, my mentor is Manish. I cannot, of course, mentor him because I don't see myself growing up to that level that I mentor him. I would like to mentor Darshit because he's got fantastic capabilities. He's still very young and full of energy. So I would like to definitely mentor him because I see there are avenues unimagined which he can achieve and access. So mentor, I would like to mentor Darshit. I would like to judge maybe Manish, and I would like to part with Khushbu.
And the last ones are Prakhar, Kinjal, Manan.
So, my God, this is all tough. Again, I would love to be a mentor to Kinjal, who is a fantastic personality, not just as in Toastmasters fraternity, but overall. She's doing wonders, unimaginable things. So I would love to be her mentor. With Prakhar, I would love to be his judge. And when you try to be someone or train or it's the best time when you can also learn from them. So the timing and the perfection of Manan, I would love to learn. Yeah, Manan, be part with.
Okay, so it was all from the fun segment. Moving on to our questions. Research says that people who are able to find humor in difficult times are able to cope with stress. How can we use the same practice?
So, most difficult of situations can be handled by humor. I very well believe in this, and Toastmaster has played a immense role in me finding this side of myself. So, it is not just that in your workplace, let's say if you can crack humor with your senior boss or colleagues, or in your relationship, you can be funny with your wife or kids, or among friends, if you are humorous and funny, you will create an impact. So, humor has seen. Worst of the crisis been taken over. So I definitely do believe humor is one thing which can not just mend bridges but build stairs to the topmost of successes. Yes, and special mention that it's not just my daughter and me who are Toastmasters now. I've gained so much from Toastmasters that even my wife is a Toastmaster now, and the younger kid, yeah, she's a member of Heritage City Toastmasters Club, and younger kid is way too young. 5 more years and probably he'll be a Cavalier too.
Great. So that's great. So the whole family will be a Toastmasters family.
Yeah, then it will be a complete Toastmasters family. Yes.
So, 5 years and counting. What still keeps you going?
So there are numerous things which keeps a Toastmaster. For me, initially it was public speaking because one of the events scared hell out of me when I was on public platform to speak on something, and then I wanted to be a public speaker like anything. Over the time when I saw and made friends with Toastmasters, that was the best feeling, and that was the phase where I wanted to be a part of Toastmasters, just because I want to be in that group of people. As we always hear that you are the average of 5 people you stay with. So that was one phase. Over the time, I also realized this positivity of the Toastmasters, which always brings me back to Toastmasters. And right now, this is mixture of everything. It is public speaking, learning, leadership, positivity. If you can bring changes to anyone's lives, and if you are part of such a fantastic group, you are happy always. So one of the many reasons I could still justify my name Kushal is also about Toastmasters.
Thank you so much, Kushal. It was not an interview, I would say, but more of an enlightenment session where I came to know a lot about Toastmasters from you. So, this was our third Dazzler from the series. Tell us in the comments what do you think about it. Until next time, stay safe, stay home, and keep dazzling. This is Richa Tiwari signing off. Keep dazzling. This is Richa Tiwari signing off.
बहुत खराब. कीप डैजलिंग. क्या कर रही है तू ये?
Sorry.
बोल बोल.